Hey YouTube, it's me DB back with you for another awesome video. Today I have a special video for you guys. We're going to be opening up 10 packs from the newest set, Crossed Souls. I went to a sneak peek today, and I ended up getting some extra packs so I can open them all for you guys to see. Alright, so once you guys go to the sneak peek, of course you know that you get a sneak preview card, so here it is. That's the Sea Dragoons of Draconia. This is like the regular Dragoons from Secrets of Eternity, only water form. And let me show you what I already pulled from the event today. It is this guy, the Galaxy Eyes Full Armor Photon Dragon. This guy is pretty cool, especially if you use him in a Galaxy Eyes deck that has equip spells. This guy can actually use those equip spells as Exceed material once he runs out, so you can keep using his effect over and over. So it's a pretty cool card in my opinion. I also wanted to say thank you to PNT Sports Cards and Memorabilia in Whitman for allowing me to pick up these packs open for you guys today. So definitely shout out to all of them. So let's get to it. Sorry for the lighting here too, though. It is kind of late in the day when I'm doing this. Alright, so our first card is Have Fun Break. Very good card, very good common card for you to use. Basically, it saves your monster from destruction, and you take only half the damage. We have Pendulum Rising, Deskbot 004, Infernoid Sajet. The rare is the Scootjaberta, the Melodious Maestra, the newest of the Fusion Maestras. We also have Cybernetic Fusion Support. Good card for Cyber Dragon decks. Performer Pal Bowhopper. UA Dreadnought Dunker. I was able to use this guy in the sneak peek. Very strong UA here. A Ride Raptor Mimicry Lanius. And that's it for this pack. I will be doing a box opening of this set. Probably sometime after next week. We have Yosin Whirlwind, with the Yosenju cards, I believe. Shadal Zephyr Core, part of the new Zephyr set. Harmonic Oscillation. Raid Raptor Sharp Lanius. The rare is a Frightful Chimera. I actually pulled this guy in Ultimate Rare form, and I ended up trading him. And we have Enchip Saw. UA Signing Deal. One of the new UA monsters. Performer Pal Spring Goose. And Primitive Butterfly. That does it for this pack. Let's go on to the next one. We have UA Rival Rebounder. Gonna use him in the event today. I did. Deskbot 004. Super Heavy Samurai Soul Blaster Gauntlet. Yosin Whirlwind. Another Schuberta, the Melodious Maestra. There's an Abyss Stingray, one of those trap monster cards. Something that Shapeshifter might have gotten into there just a few years ago. Doomdog or Octoros. Raid Raptor Mimicry Lanius. And Frightfur Factory. Let's see what else we can pull. So far, all of our rares have been fusions. I mean, I don't mind that, but still. Raid Raptor Sharp Lanius. There's Big Warachi for Super Heavy Samurais. Fluffle Sheep. There's another Soul Blaster Gauntlet. The rare is the Raid Raptor Revolution Falcon, the new Raid Raptor Exceed monster. Super Heavy Samurai Giga Gloves. Diceversity. Another play on words there by Konami. Jim Saw. And UA Signing Deal. Next pack, come on, we need to see some foils here. Getting extra deck rares. Super Heavy Samurai Big Raji again. There's the sheep. There's the Soul Blaster Gauntlet. Yosenju Kodam. Rank Up Magic Revolution Force, the newest of Rank Up Magics. Started, of course, back in the Zexal series. And here we go, yet again. Galaxy Eyes Full Armor Photon Dragon. I don't know why I wanted to kill him Proton. Got me in that one, so I already pulled this guy. Abyss Sting Stingray. There's Giga Gloves. And Dice Versity. Alright. We have Performer Power Recasting. Super Heavy Samurai, the big Oroski again. Fluffle Crane. Fiend Griefing. Edge of Tomahawk. I thought this, when I saw the official Yu-Gi-Oh tournament, official Yu-Gi-Oh channel for YouTube, I thought this was a foil, but it's not. The Chosen of Zephyra. Edge of Saw, Butterfly, and Pinch Helper Performer Pal. Alright, let's see what else we can get today. Just a couple more packs after this one, folks. Pendulum Rising, Fiend Griefing, UA Penalty Box. This is the newest trap card for UA decks. Basically, this works just like in Penalty Box in the NHL, whereas, you know, if a player gets a penalty, they receive 2 minutes. If you activate this card against your opponent's monster, then you get to banish your opponent's monster for 2 whole turns. So it kind of works just like the 2-minute penalties in the NHL. Right Raptor Sharplanus. The rarest of Fusion Conscription. We also have another UA Dreadnought Dunker. A Lanus again. Fright for Factory. And a Dome Dog Arthros. Actually, 3 more packs. I miscounted. I do apologize. Pendulum Rising. Performer Power Recasting. Super Heavy Samurai Big Rawaji. Fluffle Crane. The rare is the Edgem Tomahawk. We also have another Abyss Stingray. Doom Dog Arthros. The Mimicry Lannis. And Fright for Factory. 2 more packs. Performer Pal Lizard Draw. There's Pendulum Rising. Fiend Griefing. There's the Penalty Box card again. The rare is the rare Sea Dragons of Draconia. This is the sneak peek promo card that you would get. We have a super rare Unexpected Die. Well, that was unexpected, I guess. I know, bad jokes. I'm the king of bad jokes. Fright for Factory, Doom Dog Arthros, and Abyss Stingray. Last pack. We can end it off with a foil. Half Unbreak. There's the sheep. Dizzying Winds of Yosen Village, another one of the new Yoshengu cards. Yoshengu Kodam. The rare is a Junk Archer. Oh, here we go. Ritual Beast Ulti Calipilio. At least we got an ultra rare out of this. Of course, the Ritual Beast started off in the Secret Forces set. I'm still waiting for the box prices to go down before I can do a box opening on that. So there we go. At least we ended off with an ultra rare. Edge Imp Saw, Primitive Butterfly, and Perform Pal Pinch Hopper. Rounds us out for today's opening, folks. So I hope you all enjoyed it. Please let me know in the comments section down below if you did or did not, and also let me know what's your favorite card from this opening. So, I am DB, and I'm going to actually give you guys a quick recap. So, we ended up pulling 3 foils out of the box, or out of the packs here. We started off with the Galaxy Eyes Full Armor Photon Dragon, Unexpected Die, and the ultra rare Ritual Beast Ulti Gaiapelio. Alright, so that's going to do it for me today, folks. I am DB, and I'll catch y'all next time. I will definitely be getting a box of this to open up for you guys. And until then, peace out, y'all. Catch you next time.